Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move a hose bib, also known as a silcock, from where it sits now 8 feet over. So it's right there, and it's going to be right here where the blue tape is. It's exactly 8 feet. All the plumbing in this house is PEX, and it has a PEX manifold, so we can shut off, it's labeled very well, we can shut off the water pressure to that line and move it over rather quickly. The time-consuming part is really fixing the siding afterwards. We've got one piece of siding that the client left us, that is right here, sitting on the floor. Okay, so this is the water manifold. Each one of these represents what it's labeled: bath, lavatory, hot water, ice maker. They require a key. If you don't have one, you can use a pair of pliers, but it's diamond shaped, just like these are. And white is usually hose bibs. Red is hot for inside the house, blue is cold for inside the house, and white is usually like sprinkler systems and things of that nature. This is hose bib rear and hose bib side. We only care about the rear one. So we slide that key on there. You see the arrows pointed up. It looks like it's already off. So we're going to go check it and make sure. I think the client turned it off for us. And we'll put their key back. Check this. And there's no water there. So what we're going to do is just take this out of here. It's held in by 2 sheetrock screws made for metal, not even made for wood. See that fine thread? That's made for metal studs. Don't belong in wood at all. And we can't pull it anymore because the PEX is on the other side of it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut that PEX so that we can pull this out. That's the line right there, feeding the hose bib in the back. Kitana's going to cut it. Just like that. Just a little bit of water, Kitana. Imagine if that was charged, how much water would be gushing out of there. All right, I'm going to pull that out from the outside, okay? Mm-hmm. And now that we cut it on the inside, we can just pull it out right here. And it's held on by 1 crimp ring, which I'm hoping that we can get off of there. All right, so in order to get the PEX tubing off of this hose bib to reuse it, you have to take a razor knife or something and cut it really close to the end. There can't be any excess. Then this is a ring remover. It slides into the pipe and over the top. You snap it on the top of the ring, snap it on the bottom of the ring, and she falls right off of there. I didn't get it cut through as like I thought I did, so I'm going to sit it down here on the step of the van, and I'm going to apply far more pressure. See, that slides in, and the blade goes over the top. And I sit it down there, and I just push down, and the pressure cuts it, and it slides right off. And now you can reuse this. No reason to buy a new hose bib. This one will work just fine. We can set a new piece of PEX tubing on it and crimp it on. That's it. She's in. All right, so you take the ring, slide the ring on there. Slide the coupler in, bring the ring about I guess 1/8 of an inch away from the end. You open this tool up. You put the ring inside the jaws, keeping that ring about 1/8 of an inch away. You close the jaws. It's done. Won't leak. And then I'm going to take the ring, put it onto the other part. Plug that on there. Move the ring within 1/8 of an inch of the end. Put our crimper on it. And it does take a lot of pressure to do that, but that is a watertight connection right there. Cut that. Shove that out through the hole, and then we're going to tack all these in. Alright, so I'm going to cut off a lot of the excess. We don't need that much out here. We'll leave a little bit. Put our ring on. My hands are slippery from the... And you want to make sure this is facing the right way, because if you grip it here, sometimes you can still turn it, but you just want to make sure. You want to be about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of that. Now these are coated for exterior use. I'll put the hole lower than I did on the other side. I know that's going to go in there. There it goes. There it is. Now we got to close in the other one. This here is a siding removal tool, Kitana.
Yeah.
There's a siding removal tool. You can slide it up underneath of there. And pull the siding.
It's one piece.
Now this and this is two separate pieces, I believe. And you got to get this tool up under it. It's not always the easiest thing to do. Like that. And pull it off. Like that. Like that. See, that's rough. He wants this one changed too, because he wants those holes taken care of. Alright, so this is the 3 holes we're holding his hose roll on. So now we need a piece that's going to come across here. So let me have the measuring tape, please. Measure from inside here to the edge of that is 16¼ inches. But we need an overlap. And you want to make sure you cut right on this line, because this is the side you're going to see, so it will be visible. So you want it to be as straight as you can get it. Now, I'll show you what we do. Now this piece, we know is going to go into there, like that, and it's going to overhang by this much, right to here. That's where the end of this is. See, this ends here? So we're drawing a line just to the left of that. Okay?
Yep.
Cut it like that.
Bouncy, bouncy. Oh, yeah. Oh, careful, don't fall. Bouncy, bouncy.
And then this.
There you go. There you go. What you need, get a slip and slide. That's what you need. Get the slip and slide. Hook the hose up and let her run and slide. That's what you need. There you go.
There you go. And it comes off like that. And you leave that overhang. When you put this in here, and it clips on, it overhangs the other piece, you see?
Yeah.
It is everything you got for cheap. That's how the builder works.
There it goes. Just like so. And that has to go underneath of there. And of course that don't want to play fair either, but
There we go.
Show who's boss.
Just like so. And you don't drive these right home. If you drive them right home, when it's real hot out, the siding can't expand and contract. So you leave it so that there's some play in it.
Okay.
It needs to be able to move. Alright, so hopefully that's the same size. Let's see.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Just like so. And we'll pack that right into it. And all around it.
Yeah, bugs on me.
And there ain't nothing ever getting in there. It's solid again. See, this is the starter plate. This is what goes on to the bottom row, connects to that, see? Oh, I can't put this in yet. I gotta put the nails back in. There we go. Now she's locked in. Now I need nails.
Here's your nails. Bleeding.
Yeah, forever. Hold that up. Hold it up.
We good?
There it is.
Well,
You never know it was there.
you would never know.
Looks great.
Never know it was there.
That's where the spigot should have been.
There's off. There's on.
Perfect.
The air out of it.
Yep. Pretty good.
Look at that.